What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted. Hey man, you already know what it is. I'm coming back to you. If you already done read the name of this video, checked out the thumbnail. Hey man, I went ahead and did it. But contrary to my own thinking, I forgot. I actually did make an order from Fanatics before early last year for that original old school Oakland Raiders fitted. So I have made technically an order from Fanatics before, but this one here is a little different because this was my first order when I honestly didn't think I was gonna make an order from them since the whole Lids Fanatics merger fiasco with the whole Liz, to me, in my opinion, still hasn't recovered from this. At this point, when my membership thing is up, I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, I know people saying, "Oh, I'm not gonna read it." I mean, it is just $5, but I mean, it was the longevity you can get out of that $5 literally when Liz was still Liz. I mean, most Liz collectors or just regular run of the mill hat buyers, you'll get what I'm talking about. That premium membership could go a long way. You know what I mean? And I don't know if they're just really pushing a line on as far as what they can and can't do because I still got some stores and certain lids that really still won't actually, you know, honor what they used to back then or basically just with the discount. Like I know when I go on vacation a lot, when I do vlog for you guys, when I go visit the lids and hit up the lids out there, they're still honoring the old school lids way. They're giving you the 20 on whatever, you know what I'm saying, on the one hat and two hats or whatever, just whatever the case is, like where to it's now as there a lot of lids aren't doing that. That's even including the one that's near me to where, you know, I can actually go from home to go to a Liz. Like they're really sketchy on certain stuff they will honor it on and won't. So, but getting back to the reason for this video, basically, I'm making this pickup for a hat that I actually it's a minor league hat that I didn't think I was gonna be able to get my hands on. To me, it's a dope colorway. I thought it was just a dope script on the hat, and like I said, it just happens to be a minor league hat. And like I said, I just thought it was dope. But with that being said, I just happened to be on the Fanatics website at work one day, just scrolling, you know, trying my best to filter because they're filtering for the most part. Let's call it what it is. It just sucks when you're trying to just filter out certain things to get to. I just want all size 8s, fitteds, you know, yada yada. I don't know if the light just shined on me that one day because when I did what I did, that hat was like the second hat while I was scrolling. Went to it, said it had two size 8s left. Boom, sold, done deal, got it. Usually when it's like two or lower, they be like, "Oh, hurry, one left, two left, or whatever." They'll give you that email like, "Oh, we didn't have it," yada yada, whatever the case is. But went out, got the tracking number, the email, "Hey, your hat's on the way." Hat was on the way. Let's get right into it. I've already seen it. I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't wait. Yeah, baby. Look at that right there. That John, you know what I mean? I don't know the minor league team. I'm not gonna lie. I think it was like the Ironwood Pigs or something like that because I remember I wanted this hat so bad. I actually went to the team's website. Sold out there, sold out everywhere else I tried to look for it. And I mean, this thing to me is just a dope colorway. As you can tell, the colorway is like of the Philadelphia Phillies. They got the blue button on top, got the red star above the John. I think this is like one of their alternate hats. Hit me down below and let me know you guys are good with that. If I don't have all the correct information on the hat, as far as I'm not really big on the minor league teams, you hit it down below. If anything, I know my guy in Major League Hats, he usually does. He has all of the information, especially on a lot of the minor league hats. So definitely know he'll drop me some knowledge down below, especially if you guys want to read up on it. But yeah, I had to have this thing, and it just makes me think. To the question I had in my last video when I picked up, well, I didn't pick it up. Again, shout out to Major League Hats. He looked out for me with that Fear of God hat pickup. If some hats just really evolve around hype, because with that hat, I think it was more so just something I wanted to have in my collection, probably because of the hype, and I was able to actually acquire one. You know what I mean? But it's kind of like it's funny thing. Like if you have that hat and then you have this hat in the hand, I'm probably gonna go with this one. This one's definitely gonna get some heavy rotation when I step out. You know what I mean? Because it's a dope colorway, man. You know, you can't beat it. You know what I mean? And then just a little script on there, have a little John on the front. You got your white New Era flag. You got your minor league hook on the back. And to me, I don't know, man, it's just really dope. Like, and the Fear of God hat, like I said, I get it with the hype behind the name, that it probably get way more hype than something like this. But at the end of the day, I don't know. It's just, sometimes hype can attach yourself to something, and it'll be something normal come along, something like this, and then this is my opinion, that'll come out and knock it out the box. Because I mean, if I had a choice, I'd definitely probably grab this to wear before I grab that one. But I mean, I probably will rock that one just to rock it, just to give it some air time. You know what I mean? But for the most part, yeah, man. I mean, usually, of course, if you follow my videos, I try to do 2 hats on an unboxing or a review, but this one, I don't know, it was something about it, man. I was just really happy I was able to get my hands on it. And I mean, Fanatics actually came through, man. I mean, I really can't complain, as much as some people want to say what they like and dislike. They came through, no problems. I mean, I really can't complain. You know what I mean? It's a dope hat. Go ahead, look at the underlayments, you know what I mean? Got your under tags in there. You got your minor league. Of course, you got your size 8. Gold 8 foil. You know what I mean? But for the most part, yeah, man, let me know what y'all think down below. Like I said, man, I think this is a pretty dope hat. Now, make no mistake, I'm not saying this is better than Fear God, or definitely didn't get the hype it did, but on style quality, if you're just going, 1 out of 10, I'm not going to lie to you, man. Fear God, I'll probably give it a 7, and a lot of that 7 is hype. This one here, I would definitely give this easy 8. Easy 8. You know what I'm saying? Just above that one. Like I said, that one got bumped up a lot more because of hype. This one, I give it an easy 8 because it may be plain, but they made it look plain clean. You know what I mean? Really made it look clean. That script right there on the front, they made a lot of the standout elements on it to me. So like I said, man, I'm gonna keep this simple. Let me know what y'all think down below. Let me definitely question of the video, man. Let me know what y'all think down below. I mean, was the Fear of God a lot of hype? Can a normal hat come and bump that out of the way just on look alone? You know what I mean? Let me know what you think. And like I said, Major League hats, I'm counting on you, buddy. Let me know a little bit of history on this hat, man, because I'm not really good with those minor league teams. But yeah, man, hey, love when y'all hit me with the questions down below, or letting me know what y'all think, man. That's what I'm here for, man. So, I mean, hey, I'm not here to answer y'all questions and answer what y'all think. Why am I doing it? So, I'm going to definitely see y'all on the next one. Just wanted to show y'all that John real quick, you know what I mean? It's your boy, Shawn.Stay.Fitted. Hey, man, hit me with y'all questions. Hit me with y'all feedback. Let me know what y'all think down below. Other than that, I'm going to get out of here on this good Sunday. Don't want to hold y'all up. Watch me some football reruns real quick, because football is coming. So, hey, I'm going to go on and hop up out of here, man. I'm going to see y'all on the next one.